It is 7:15. I just turned the lights on. I feel like I can't see anything. I am cracking up and almost in tears because I was laying in bed. Our alarms went off at 7. We're trying to be better about like waking up at a regimented time because she'll usually sleep till like 8 a.m., give or take. I literally was watching yesterday's vlog on Tyler's channel. So it was day 4. Welcome to day 5. I look great, don't I? Anyway, and I got to the bean part where Tyler's talking about all the beans and he shows all the beans and we have like 80 cans of beans. I'm not joking, you guys. All Tyler needed was darn white beans of any kind. And that's all we don't have. How is that possible? He literally, you guys, buys beans every time we're at the store. There's no, now we go through them. We use like black beans all the time, pinto beans, apparently white beans. I just was dying. I was in tears in bed, laying, watching it. If you have not seen yesterday's vlog, I will link it up in the cards and down below. Day 4's video was probably one of my favorite vlogs we've done. And that part had me in tears and reading your guys' comments. Oh my gosh, so funny. So I'm headed downstairs to work out, trying not to wake Gigi up. Look at this little dusting. Pinocchio's doggy friends are out. Actually kind of feels good out here right now. It's pretty sweaty. But Pinocchio says, I don't mind the snow. I got all this fur and blubber to keep me warm. Okay, so my Ulta order came in. I'm thinking about filming. It would be a while though before I actually film it, but I kind of want to do a traditional Ulta haul. Like, wouldn't that be fun? I rebought some things. I'm trying out some new things. Yes, I finally got my hands on that. And of course, I bought 4 more of the Dose of Colors lip gloss, which is my favorite. This is truly the best lip gloss of all time. That's all I'm going to say, because I talk about it all the time. Oh my gosh.
More cornbread. Dun, dun, dun. So Jessica's gonna make cornbread tonight. But when I got this out of the oven last night, it was too hot to oil because it was 500 degrees in the oven. I was too tired. So this morning I finally oiled it one last time. Yeah, looks brand new.
I cannot wait. I was just looking up. I was Googling Cracker Barrel cornbread recipes. We'll see. I'm looking at some of them. I'm like, what? It has that in it? It has chopped onion and celery in it? Also, I knew it was more of a savory taste. It's not a sweet cornbread at all.
Well, and a lot of people said, like, I'm Southern born and bred in the comments. So
yes,
if you are, you better send us your recipe.
Question, is the sweet cornbread more Southern or is like
most
the
people said no.
savory?
Most people said Southern cornbread is never sweet.
Yes.
Some people said, I live in the South and I have no idea. But some people said...
Well, I mean, yeah, because it's all...
But a lot of people said, yes, Southern cornbread is not sweet. But if that's the case... If you are Southern born and bred and you know how to make good cornbread, let us know.
Yeah, I love it. So I just tried out, this was one of the things I got from Ulta, these Revolution Conceal and Define foundations. For comparison, here's the concealer there. So I used both of them today. That's pretty good coverage. I was like, whoa. I feel like everything got covered. I ended up mixing 2 shades. If you're near my skin tone, I mixed F3 and F4. I think it looks pretty good. I feel like I could literally wear either one and be just fine. I think maybe F4 might be more correct. I don't know. Mixing them ended up looking pretty good. But putting all of them together, I think it was pretty nice. I did notice right away, like, you can kind of see a little bit of, like, skin texture. I mean, nothing that's, like, more than what I'm kind of used to. And I did use a kind of, let me just show you. I used the... First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. I was just talking about this in my November favorites because I forgot how much I loved it and I still had it in my collection. Oops. And I retried it again weeks ago and I was like, this is amazing. Why am I not using it every day? So I have been. But anyway, so far I'm liking them, but I'll have to update you for sure whether I do that Ulta haul or if I do it like as a review. I don't know. We'll see how I end up incorporating it into my channel. But I do think the coverage is nice. So makeup is done. I always feel more like myself when I have makeup on. I know I'm not alone. I need to get actual clothes on though. So my dad is actually coming over today. He babysits once a week and Tyler's mom babysits once a week, which is amazing. And it is amazing for Gigi because it's nice that, you know, because she is staying at home with us, it's nice for her to have some social interaction other than just mom and dad. So I think that is fantastic. Plus they love it. And well, at least they say they do, I guess. Maybe they don't. But it's so lovely. And it's nice because A, we can spend some time with them, you know, a little bit of time, but then we can also go get work done. Actually, today, one of the videos I'm filming is an organization video. I'm gonna go through my dresser. It'll probably be up in a while though, in a few days. My dresser in my bedroom, you'll see it in the video. And we need to organize this linen closet here. Please, you guys. This thing is a mess. So I'm gonna film that because I know a lot of you guys have asked for more like organization, like organize with me videos. I love doing them. So that is the plan. I love organizing, so I'm actually really looking forward to today.
Okay, so we're going to babysit Gigi, aren't we, Simba? Yeah, we're heading over there now. And you just calm down, we'll be there. We're on our way. Haven't seen Gigi since Disney. And we miss her. So we're gonna go watch her today so Jess and Tyler can do whatever crazy stuff they do. And that's gonna be playtime all day, buddy. Yay, Gigi!
My dad just sent me a video of him vlogging in the car on the way over with our pug, Simba. And if you've watched me for years, back when I used to live with my parents when I was like student teaching and stuff, Simba was, well, he wasn't ever my dog. He's technically my parents, but he was my dog. I don't care. Anyway, so Simba's coming over to spend time with Pinocchio, and my dad's, like I said earlier, watching Gigi. So if you saw that clip, that is amazing. I need to tell my dad, listen, if you're going to vlog, you got to do it horizontally so it can be full screen. It's so cute. Oh my gosh.
All right. So one thing we make all the time is hummus. And we love hummus. Like hummus and pita chips, hummus and naan bread, hummus and carrots, hummus and pretzels.
I will eat things I don't even like as long as they're dipped in hummus.
Yeah. So we make it for ourselves. So I'm going to show you real fast how to make it. Eventually I'm going to do a video on this, but just to get you an idea. So 8 cloves of garlic. This is double the normal recipe, by the way, because we make a lot of it. So if you want to make a normal batch, do half of everything I'm saying. So it's 8 garlic cloves, and you can just put those, once they're peeled, right in. Also, isn't that so satisfying?
That noise, that is a good one.
I love that.
Plink, plink,
and you can put them in whole. Obviously, you take the paper outsides off. But then you can just twist it in here instead of...
Tyler, you should know that when I've made it, I have minced all of the garlic cloves myself.
Yep.
I feel embarrassed to say that because this
you just mince them right in here. Exactly. So now let's listen to this. So 2 cans of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, but again, it's half this if you want to do it yourself. But listen. And that's something bad.
At the end.
Such a satisfying
It
noise.
is. It's a good noise.
Okay.
You drain them. Did you rinse them?
No rinsing, but yes, you drain them. But take 2 tablespoons, so 4 tablespoons of the liquid that's in them, and put that on reserve because you'll need that. And then 2 teaspoons of kosher salt.
I know, Gigi. Papa, I'll be here in a minute.
2/3 of a cup of tahini, which is sesame seed paste.
Yeah, and you can buy that literally at any grocery store.
And again, this is double the recipe, so just 1/3 of a cup if you're doing just a normal size.
And this is a food processor. You probably know that, but in case you didn't. I feel like me 4 or 5 years ago, I might not have known.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe I would have. My mom did use it to make like coleslaw sometimes growing up.
I've only ever used a food processor to make this. I don't really know how else you would make it. Maybe in a blender? I don't know if that
I don't know because it really
does have, I think, have to be food processor. There's some, anyway.
All right, you better hurry. She's losing her patience.
Losing it. So then the juice of 2 lemons, fresh squeezed because the other stuff is just
tastes a little more metallic.
And then 4 tablespoons of the liquid reserved from the cans of chickpeas. You can also use water if you accidentally forget to get the liquid out.
MBD.
And then 6 dashes of hot sauce. You can use whatever you have on hand. I like sriracha, but whatever you got.
And remember, you can. That is way more than 6. I was going to say, you
really
can
counting.
always add more spice, but you can't remove it.
Yeah.
So if you have someone that doesn't like spice in your family.
Yeah, and it's not spicy. It's not.
No, it's not.
It's
because I'm not a big spicy person. I still love it.
And then just pull. Smoosh it around.
I don't like that noise.
Speaking of noises. And then run it on high for maybe a minute or so until it becomes real creamy.
Either way, I can link this food processor because I freaking love it. It's a Cuisinart 1 and it is
Did
incredible.
we get this for our wedding?
It's so powerful. I think so. But I'm pretty sure I can still find it online, so I'll see. Look in the description box. We'll see if I find it.
All right, and then a little bit more. And there we go. Hummus.
We always taste test it before we take it out
yeah,
of there.
you gotta make sure. Little tiny baby chip. Sorry, I should have gotten you in.
It's okay. I got a little tiny baby chip. I'm trying to dip in it while looking through the camera. Okay.
And then that goes in the fridge. It lasts like 2 or 3 weeks.
We'll usually just put it in like a glass Tupperware kind of bowl. And yeah, it'll last, well, it'll last as long as you don't finish it because we finish it in like 4 days.
Yeah,
and
we
then
wouldn't
it's gone.
really know. It's never gone bad at our house.
Because it is always gone. Oh my gosh. But seriously, I'm not a big fan of raw carrots, and I will eat raw carrots dipped in this because the hummus is so freaking good. And it's so healthy.
Yeah, it really is.
And it's packed full of protein, yeah, with the beans.
Yeah, the garbanzo beans, which
Garbanzo.
garbanzo beans and chickpeas are the same thing.
Yes.
In case you guys didn't know.
Yum. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
Papa's here. And all the doggies, and here's Simba. Mr. Simba likes to mark, so he's in a little diaper.
Because you are lying. Have you been lying?
Oh, Pinocchio loves my dad. He was pumped about him coming over.
Hey.
He's getting a toy.
Well, it's funny. Gigi thinks that Pinocchio is like the funniest thing now, so now she's like, wait, there's other dogs out there?
Yes, Pinocchio, I see you. Is Simba getting your toys? Are you telling on him? This is just a circus. I love it so much. Simba loves toys. So does Pinocchio. They both love toys. But Pinocchio rolls over very fast. Yeah. He loves Simba, but he's also like his tail's wagging, but he's also like, ah. If Simba like runs at him. Gigi's getting fed by Papa.
Gigi.
And Simba's here. She says, what's he doing there? Hi, Simba. Her mouth wide open. Oh, yummy. While my dad is here, I am doing some decluttering and organizing still and filming it, and boy, it takes a lot out of you. But little sneak peek, I'm cleaning out my linen closet. I literally got rid of like almost everything in it. It's amazing. It's amazing how little we were using. So I'm watching Million Little Things. I just tried on all of these clothes from ThredUp for a video behind the scenes. I turned the lights off. And Miss Gigi is playing hard before her last nap of the day. Hi, monkey. Hi. I think you might have too many toys in there, girl. She said, no, I want them all.
Does that mean we're gonna try to make some beer with you again?
All right, guys, it's official. This is the last meatloaf. It's the last meatloaf.
Name that musical.
Yeah,
Everyone's on those that like musicals. The rest are like rolling their eyes like,
about? So, for those of you that are not privy to the meatloaf situation, the meat sitch, you don't know the down low on the meatloaf, the DL on the ML.
I liked the meat sitch.
Meat sitch.
MS for short? Nope.
When Gigi hadn't been born yet, like a week before she was born, I was losing my mind and I didn't know what to do with myself. And so I started baking like an actual crazy person. And so I made like, I don't know, 4 loaves of banana bread, a ton of baguettes and slicing sandwich bread, and I made like 5 meatloaves. I was actually a crazy person. Casseroles.
That's when the bean rampage happened.
That's
you
around the
so
same
many
time.
beans. Actually, the bean rampage was
before
earlier.
that, yeah. But I
was
didn't know what to do with
getting baby
myself.
shower and I was organizing baby clothes. You were buying beans and organizing beans. All
And
but the
baking.
white ones.
I was baking like crazy. But anyway, so I made like 5 meatloaves. Meatloaves? Meatloafs.
Did it end up defrosting? Oh,
Yes,
nice.
for the most part. And they've been in the freezer. And this is the last one.
It's the last meatloaf. Also, we've already, look at this. We are monsters and we already tore it apart. But Maylove, one of my favorite skincare brands I've worked with in the past and I might be working with again soon, regardless. Okay, baby Tylenol or baby ibuprofen. Sent over this basket of all these yummy goodies. So thank you. If you're watching this, I don't know that they would be, but that's awesome. So we're going to be eating on this. I shared some with my dad. He took some home with him. And then your mom's coming over tomorrow. So I might see if she wants some of this too. But yeah, we've been eating on the There's some like summer sausage in there. We're like, oh yeah. Pinocchio had a bite and he was like, this is delicious. But there's a nice basket. I feel like I could like put towels in this. I got linens on the brain from today, but that's really nice. Well. Tyler made a delicious dinner. The meatloaf he spoke of, these delicious green beans, fancy green beans.
Yeah.
And then southern
Some
cornbread.
Overcooked cornbread. Get down, Pinocchio.
It looks really good. We had to Tyler had to change a few ingredients, but
Yeah,
I'm so excited.
What are you gonna do?
So we're gonna watch The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. The next season's out. So season 2.
I
so
think
we're
it
gonna
just
start
started
that.
today. Yeah.
This is on Amazon Prime. I think it's like the only thing we watch on here. Anywho,
Oh, Pinocchio.
Pinocchio says, "It is time to go to bed." Pinocchio. He's waiting on some meatloaf scraps. So we are tired.
Oh my gosh, so tired.
So we're gonna clean all this food up, and we just finished that episode of Mrs. Maisel.
Just finished it. Just repeating everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyways, so.
I'm so tired. I literally can't even think straight.
But you know what? I'm proud of us. We got up earlier today.
Yeah.
We got a lot more done, so that's good.
Yeah.
So, anyhoozle. Oh, look, we got a different doggy here with different heels. He looks crazy. Okay, you don't look like yours. You look like Banicula. Anyway, all right.
All right, you go edit this.
Tomorrow's vlog will be on Tyler's channel, Tyler Travels TV.
Today's vlog is on her channel, Jam Beauty.
Jam Beauty 89.
And then I'm going to go to the dishes. And then let's go to bed.
We always trade off, like, if
8:30?
he's editing that night, I do dishes and put leftovers away. But tonight I'm editing, so you're doing that. I can't decide which
better?
job is harder.
What's worse? What's better? What's what?
I think
What's
editing
up with
is
that?
better.
Remember that?
What are the rules?
No, that's different.
I know, but what are you saying?
What's up with that? It's Keenan Thompson on SNL. What's
Oh.
up with that?
What's up with that? What's up with that? Or something
How did
like
he do?
that. Yeah.
He was like a preacher, and or it was like a talk
It was
show
so
or
weird.
something.
Didn't he have Jerry curls?
Yeah.
And then it kept getting wetter
Anyway,
throughout. Or no, I think
also,
I'm thinking of something else.
I just did the what are the rules on the Branson video that's coming up here soon. I edited it. It's so good. That's an episode of It's Always Sunny. If you don't watch It's Always Sunny, you should.
It is not kid friendly though.
It is not kid friendly
At all.
but
So
it is
just be aware.
hilarious.
Anywho, all right. So we will see you in tomorrow's vlog.
I love you. Good night.